A sinking concrete slab isn't just ugly, it's a safety hazard. Uneven driveways, patios, sidewalks, or garage floors can trip people, damage vehicles, and lower your property value. Here at Dalinghaus Construction, we specialize in lifting and leveling sinking concrete slabs. Today, I'm going to walk you through the signs your slab needs lifting, why slabs sink, and how you can fix them for good. Let's start with the warning signs. Cracks forming on the surface, a sign that the slab is shifting. Uneven or sloping areas you can feel underfoot. Water pooling in low spots after rain or watering. Doors or gates sticking near the slab from shifting alignment. Gaps forming between the slab and your home or garage. If you see any of these, your concrete is moving, and it's only going to get worse, more expensive, and more dangerous if left alone. Concrete slabs sink because the soil beneath them changes. Here in California, we deal with expansive clay soils that swell when wet and shrink when dry. Over time, that movement shifts the slab. Heavy rain, poor drainage, or plumbing leaks can wash soil away and create empty pockets under the concrete. Tree roots are another hidden culprit, pushing the slab up in spots and leaving voids under to decay. Even buried organic debris can rot away over time, leaving your concrete with nothing solid to sit on. When the soil goes, the slab follows. There are a few ways to lift a sinking slab, but not all of them are created equal. Mudjacking has been around for decades. It pumps a heavy cement slurry under the slab to lift it. It's cheaper, but it requires large drill holes, adds weight to unstable soil, and it takes days to cure. Full slab replacement means demolishing and repouring the entire slab. That's expensive, time-consuming, and if you don't fix the soil issue first, it'll just sink again. Underpinning with helical or push piers is the most permanent option for extreme soil instability, anchoring the slab to bedrock. It works, but it's reserved for major settlement issues. Our go-to method for most homes is polyurethane foam injection. It uses tiny 3/8-inch holes to inject a lightweight, expanding foam under the slab. The foam fills voids, lifts the concrete, and stabilizes the soil in minutes. It's fast, clean, water-resistant, and built to last for decades, without adding extra weight to the soil. So, what does it cost? Mudjacking usually runs between $3 and $8 per square foot. Polyurethane foam is $3 to $10 per square foot, slightly more upfront, but far more durable. Full slab replacements can cost $6 to $12 per square foot and takes weeks to cure. Underpinning will usually run $2,000 to $3,000 per pier. Choosing the right method matters. While mudjacking might seem cheaper now, it can fail again in a few years, while polyurethane foam gives you long-term peace of mind. A sinking concrete slab is more than just surface problems. It's a sign of trouble underneath. And the longer you wait, the more it can cost to fix. So don't wait. Schedule a free concrete evaluation with Dalinghaus Construction today. We'll give you a clear plan, fix it fast, and leave your slab stronger than ever, because your home deserves a solid foundation. If you think your foundation might need some attention, reach out to us at Dalinghaus Construction. We'll give you an honest assessment and find a solution that'll last. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next home improvement guide.